Yan, magbe-breakfast kami dito. Oo. Ito ang Mini Plaza Miranda.
Wow.
Na-convert na nila ng kapatid ko na maging parang mini plaza sa loob lang ng bahay. Good morning, Thursday ngayon. Andito ako ngayon kay na mama. Kasi pupunta kaming magkakapatid sa Karamuan kasi nagpapagawa ng bahay doon ang sister ko. Yung tinuluyan ko sa Manila. Kaya yan, sama kayo sa pagbiyahe namin sa Karamuan. Ito na kami, paalis na kami. Punta na kaming Karamuan.
Tara, sama kayo.
Magkasama ang mga Tres Marias. Tres Marias. Pray kami for travel safe.
Very good. Lunchtime.
Gina, doon daas sa ano. Gina?
Dito na po para madali.
Madaling mag...
Tapos na to. Please, parehas buntot. Parehas lang pala ng buntot.
Bababa daw kami. Galing kami doon. Yung sa may hagdan. Ito na siya.
could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be.
Yan, rest muna. Mataas. O, yan ang pinanggalingan namin. Ayan pa. Nagdadalagan pa si Clabel. Grabe. Ito na ang bahay ng kapatid ko. Ayan ang si Donya, oh. Ayun, ang magtakuton man iti ay magsabit.
May mga tao mang bagao. Ay, si may sadiri pala niya. Ano, mga upo kang may sadiri.
Oras ng kasal.
Kami itu kata apa? Munyang dero, enggak
Hindi ang kasal o karakanan na hindi. Ay, di ba kayo 12, 11, 12.
Iya po. Pwede, ayos ito mo. Hoy, nagkaroon mo na yung ano at
Dahil makaswimming.
gawin pa si
Sige na, Noy.
Iya po, ta. Ako na naman.
Sayang data dahil sila mga. Ayan. Okay na, kasi ang rent dito is 1.6 a day. Maganda na. Tapos ayan, nagdala ako ng extension wire. Kasi ang mga saksakan ko ay lahat ganyan. Tapos ayan lang ang pool. Ayan, paglabas. Ayan na ang pool. May towel din. And tapos aayusin daw nila ang TV. Okay. Tapos dito naman ang room ng kapatid ko, yung nag-treat sa amin. Ayan. Maganda. May sala. Tapos yan, may dining. Para siyang Airbnb. Tapos yan, oh, may maliit na fridge.
Gusto ko ulit ni Mario o yan.
Ganda. Tapos, ito ang maganda ang room. Yan. Nakapang swimsuit na kami. Ang problema, umulan ng malakas. Ayan, oh.
A few moments later.
Ayan. Tapos na kaming mag-shower. Iba ang room namin, oh. Nakatatlo kaming palipat-lipat. Marami kasing problema kasi matagal, di ba nag-pandemic, matagal na hindi nagamit ang mga ito. Kaya yan, yung una naming room, hindi umiilaw yung sa bathroom. Tapos lumipat na naman kaming iba, meron palang mag-occupied bukas. Ilipat na naman kami dito. Ayan.
Slice lang dito niya, diba? Yun po,
I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it.
Yan, good morning. Ayan, naka-refresh na. Kuha na ang oras is 6:45. Siguro after breakfast, punta naman kami doon sa pinapagawang bahay ng sister ko. Mamamasyal kami sa pinakasentro nitong Karamuan. Tapos bibisita sa church nila. Yan, inintay na lang namin yung kapatid namin kasi medyo malayo na sa amin. Kasi di ba pinagpalit kami ng mga rooms kagabi. Kaya napalayo ang kanilang rooms. Ayan, papunta na kami sa labas.
I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell.
Yeah, I like you, that's for sure. Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before, and I'm missing you so bad. Gone away a month or more. Every show I go before, need to hear that voice. 'Cause right
Yan ang unang lugar namin dito sa palengke.
let you go on thinking about those secrets too. And I would never bet the world that I would find anyone like you.
I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell. It's true, 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 it's true.
for sure. With some devil, hear you roar. But I like it, we on the floor. In my ear, be whispering. Used to have fun, now I'm bored. Do I miss you? Yes, of course. Think about that time when we stayed up all night talking. I could never let you go. Go on thinking about those secrets true. And I would never bet the word that I would find anyone like you.
I'll never tell. Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping. These promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell.
Dumating na ang breakfast namin. Kaso madaming tao. Doon na lang kami sa loob kasi madaming tao.
I'll never tell. Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping. These promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell.
Dito kami kakain.
May free din.
Yaon dyan. Ano, yaon na sila?
Pabukas daw tabi. Salamat.
Una ko daw, yaon na ka mo, hindi nakasara kayo.
Dahil naghahalat kami.
Sabi ka ni Jun, yaon na kairiba ko na ngayon.
I'll never tell. Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping. These promises strong as a spell.
Andito na uli kami sa Mommy Erms Food House, Kalayukay Beach para mag-lunch.
You're an angel, that's for sure. With some devil, hear you roar. But I like it, we on the floor. In my ear, be whispering. Used to have fun, now I'm bored. Do I miss you? Yes, of course. Think about that time when we stayed up all night talking.